Hello everyone. Today I have nice equation for you. We have to find what is the value of a minus b. Let's we check them. A divided by b plus b divided by a equal to. We take a times b for each part for the cancelling b and a. This is the advantages of AB because B cancelling B and A cancel by A. Now we can write A square plus B square equal to AB. To AB replace to the left side. A square plus B square minus 2A B equal 0. But you know A minus B whole square is equal, and we can write it A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now rearrange the equation above that order. A square minus 2AB plus B square equals 0. Finally, above the equation like A minus B square equals 0. Our answer is A minus B equals 0. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.